Alright, well, this little guy has been running for 2 hours now, and I have other stuff to do today, so I'm going to have to stop and see about fixing that generator up later, and yeah. There, I shut the fuel needle. There, shut the fuel needle to starve it out. So, like I said, this has been going for 2 hours. It should be running out of fuel soon, but I just need to go get some other stuff done, so I'm gonna head off, and later we'll look at that generator again and see about getting that pulley fixed on there better. But for now, we'll call it the end of the day, and obviously this newly re-rubberized boot with the liquid electrical tape insulated really nicely, so